Hello drummers, let's take a look at some Ghost Note beats. Ghost notes are very simple. The left hand is really quiet versus the back beat, which is really loud. When you do your ghost notes, make sure that you're only lifting your stick a little bit, little flex from the wrist, rather than a big arm movement like that. That's not a ghost note, that is. Anyway, technique will be right, left, right for right-handed players, or left, right, left if you're a lefty. An example one, we're going to play it like this. Right, right, both, right, left, right, right, both, right. For left-handed players, left, left, both, left, right, left, left, both, left. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. Very nice. And example number 2, we're going to move things a little bit and put the ghost note right at the very beginning. So instead of it being in the middle, it's now going to go right, left, right, both, right. Right, left, right, both, right. Or for left-handed players, left, right, left, both, left. Left, right, left, both, left. Very good. 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. For the third example, we're going to take all of the bass drums out of the middle, just leaving the ghost notes, and I'm going to add one extra one. This gives the beat a lot more space, so if there's a busy guitar part, for instance, this can fit really well with it. Right, right, both, right, left, right, both, right. Or for lefties, left, left, both, left, right, left, both, left. 1 and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and. And finally, for the last example, I'm going to add 2 more bass drums into that same beat. So use the same sticking you've got and add these extra bass drums, and it should sound really good. 1 and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and. 1 and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and. They're on the 3 and the and after that. Try experimenting with those beats. You can move the ghost notes to wherever you want within the bar and it can sound really good. Try and make up your own examples as well. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, check out my other videos. There's going to be some more things on there of interest for you, I'm sure. And I'll catch you again very soon for another free drum lesson. Thanks for watching.